Yo, what's up mga idol? Android player ng Barangay San Gilmo, basag na ang muka pero baliwala, ginamot lang saglit, bumalik pa rin sa laro at siya pa ang naging susi para may panalo ang kanilang barangay. Halina at panoorin ang kaganapan sa last minute ng kanilang laban mga idol.
We were born sick, heard them say my church offers no absolutes. She tells me worship in the bedroom. You only hear when I be sent to sweat along with you. I was born sick, but I love it. Man need to be well. Yeah.
Isa pa pong time out yan.